Hello everyone and welcome guys to this video. I will share with you how you can deposit your money in tradovate. So friends, log in your account, launch your account. This is the first step you need to do. After that, look for transfer and payment. In this case, just click fund accounts. This is for deposit, and then click next. As I say, I will click next. After that, you will add your debit card. In my case, I want to add my debit card from here. Just this is for example, write your all details that link to your account, and then click fund your accounts. Click fund accounts. After that, write your amount you want to fund, for example, $100, and then click confirm and transfer. So friends, just follow simple steps. Click fund account, write your credit card here, and then click on this icon from here, and then click transfer and payment, and then add credit card. Add your all details from your credit card. After that, click fund your accounts. Any question, friends, for here down in the comment, and I will answer your question as soon as possible. Keep